We do begin Coffee Talk with the biggest story in America, a leak of a draft of a Supreme Court opinion about Roe v. Wade. So many of you are familiar with that case. It legalized the right for women to have an abortion 50 years ago. That case, though, it's been in the headlines so much lately, with different states now passing various anti-abortion bills. Last night, Politico released the 98-page draft after someone inside the court leaked it. And that is what we are focusing on here on Great Day. Just how big of a deal is it that the leak happened in the first place? Well, Politico posted the original piece at 8:32 last night. They probably had a feeling this was going to be a big deal because at 8:36, they posted another piece with a lot of interviews titled, "How Rare is a Supreme Court Breach?" Very rare. That is because Supreme Court historians cannot recall a previous time where a draft opinion was leaked before the Supreme Court justices released it. For those of you who follow the court, you know many of these big opinion pieces do come out in June. So this was expected really in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. So now you have to ask, why would someone leak it? Many are speculating because the person, most likely a law clerk, is outraged over the decision, or that person wants to put pressure on one of the justices to change his or her mind. At this point, 5 of the justices have agreed with overturning it. 3 have not. 1, the Chief Justice John Roberts, he was not really mentioned as having an opinion in this opinion piece.
So it names everybody's vote then?
It does. Samuel Alito is the one who wrote it, and
He's the author of it.
I didn't know that.
yes, went ahead and listed, and it shouldn't be too much of a surprise. The conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, Amy Coney Barrett, are all siding with him. But can you imagine just how crazy it is inside the Supreme Court right now?
And what are, do we know, the legal ramifications if they're able to trace it back to an individual?
He's done.
I mean, that's
Well, you said you think
I
it's
think
a
it's
male.
a
law is over,
think it's a
obviously.
male.
I
but
do.
she's been profiling
That
all
is so
morning.
sexist.
I know,
It's not.
terrible.
It's
not
absolutely
sexist.
biased.
It's just what I think. The FBI is investigating, much more to come out throughout
But she already
the day.
knows, so what's the
Yeah.
point?
Just give us the name. You know, you know.
Yeah.
If the FBI starts calling me saying, Lawrence, you know who it is, I'm going to be so mad
I
at
know.
you two.
You're gonna
And you're going to squeal like a pig.